Welcome to this brief introduction to Aqueduct, Milvian Group's platform for intelligent building management. In this demo, we'll explore key views for monitoring sensor metrics and utility usage, using real data from our pilot sites. These views empower users to quickly identify issues, correlate trends, and maintain optimal building performance. We start at the global view, displaying all sites as pins on a map. Each uses a stoplight system, green for normal, yellow for warnings, red for alerts. This at-a-glance overview helps to prioritize responses across locations. Let's investigate an alert by clicking into a red site. At the site level, the floor plan shows zones color-coded by status, with sensors as icons within them. This visualization reveals where the issues are concentrated, enabling targeted troubleshooting. We'll zoom into a red zone for details. Now, let's select an air quality sensor to dive deeper. Gauges on the left display current values for key metrics, such as temperature, humidity, and CO2. This snapshot flags anomalies at a glance. Selecting metrics expands charts to show trends over time, starting with core metrics. Correlating these signals helps to uncover patterns, like how environmental factors might influence each other. We can zoom into today to get more detail for recent changes, aiding in our diagnosis. To add context, we can select additional metrics, such as particulate matter indicators. Overlaying these trends supports deeper analysis, revealing correlations that inform maintenance decisions and improve air quality. For quick comparisons, breadcrumbs at the top allow seamless switching between nearby sensors in the same zone. Now, let's shift to utility monitoring in another site. In this water meter view, aggregated charts provide a comprehensive look at consumption. The top chart tracks real-time flow, helping detect sudden spikes or irregularities. Below, average daily usage trends by month, highlighting seasonal patterns or efficiency opportunities. The monthly usage bar chart totals consumption, with projections for the current period to forecast costs and usage. Finally, the minimum flow chart identifies the lowest hourly rates per month, a valuable indicator for spotting potential leaks if minimums rise unexpectedly during downtime. These views extend to other utilities, like natural gas or electrical energy consumption, for resource savings and proactive management. In summary, Aqueduct streamlines drill down from global views to detailed sensor and utility insights, fostering situational awareness to prevent issues and optimize operations. Thank you for watching. Reach out to learn more.